Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the order machine in Heartopia. So if your DG member level is already 35 like this, 35, you will unlock a new feature in Heartopia that called the order machine like this. And this machine lets you order furniture or clothes from the pop store or charity store without waiting for the daily reset. So instead of checking random daily items, you can choose directly from all available models in here. But keep in mind you can only order one item per week, and each item will take 1 week to be delivered. And to use it, it's very simple. Just go to the machine that located between pubs and charity store over here. And this machine will only be visible if you are a DG member level 35 or above. Next, just tap the machine and then just choose whether you want to order furniture or clothing like this. And after that, just pick the item that you want. For example, I want to choose this one. And then, but to place the order, you will need an order ticket like this. You can get this ticket randomly from Surprise Gacha X. And once you have the ticket, just tap it and then just hit the confirm order. And like this, that's it. Now just wait 1 week until your item arrived. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.